We are going to start mathematics. So myself, my name is Muhammad Ali Khan, and you can call me Moise sir. Some voice problem will be there because I am not using headphones today. So concentrate. You can able to catch my words. You can able to follow whatever I am saying. In mathematics, intermediate first year mathematics, you will be having two books. Book 1 is known as 1A book and book 2 is known as 1B. So in 10th class you used to have only one mathematics book, but here you have two subjects. MPC students have maths, physics, chemistry and English along with second language, Hindi or Arabic or anything. But in mathematics, don't think mathematics is a single subject. You have two subjects in mathematics, two books. Two separate faculties are going to take that one. 1A, Ram Reddy sir will consider take 1A subject. Myself, I will take 1B to you. 1B has total 10 units. Unit 1 is locus. Unit 2 is transformation of axis. Unit 3 is straight line. Unit 4 pair of straight line. Unit 5 three-dimensional coordinates. Unit 6 direction cosines and direction ratios. 7th one is the plane. 8th one limits. 9th one differentiation of derivatives. And the 10th one is application of derivatives. So we will start any of the unit first. Before that, few basic things you should know. One is you need to purchase Telugu Academy textbook. Telugu Academy is not Telugu medium book. Telugu Academy is name of textbook publication. Government of Telangana have published that one. So you have to take 1B textbook of Telugu Academy. Don't purchase Deepthi series or don't purchase any other series. You have to purchase Telugu Academy textbook. One thing. Then 1A and 1B are two different papers, two subjects you have. Very easy syllabus, and board of intermediate have reduced some syllabus because you have very less working days. Total 180 working days are there. Out of 180, maybe it is 130. I will message you in WhatsApp group, in your group regarding this one. So first, what you have to do? You should know the unit names. You have to prepare a book. You have to take one long notebook and heading you can put 1B book. Then whatever I am explaining you, on first page you can write chapter names, and whatever chapter I will start, I will tell you how many marks you will get from that unit once I will start that one. So basics, from basic onward I will explain you. From basics means those who are not good in 10th class mathematics also, if they follow from basics onwards, you are going from first onwards, you are going to get each and everything. So in mathematics first year you will be having two books, 1A and 1B. 1A, Ram Reddy sir will take you 1A textbook, 1A syllabus. In 1B, whatever 10 units are there, that I will consider that one. I will take this 1B syllabus. So what you have to do from starting onwards, you have to observe carefully because voice problems or many problems are there in this one. So you have to follow and get whatever, remember that one, and whatever I will teach you have to prepare a book, and what you have to do is you have to take photos of that one, pictures of whatever you have written in your book, and you have to send me on WhatsApp group by writing name on the paper, name and name you can write, and just group you can write, and you can send to me. Anyhow, I will guide you. Whatever syllabus is deleted, that also I will post. Just for now, what you have to remember, whatever will start from today onwards, you need to write each and everything in your book notes, so that at the time of revision it is very easy. See, once you watch the video, suppose if I have started first unit, and to revise the first unit you can't see everything, no? You can't watch the video once again. It may be of half an hour, it may be of 20 minutes. So it is very difficult to revise by seeing the video. So what you have to do, whatever you are doing in class 1, that lecture 1, you have to follow the points, whatever I will tell you, then record in your notes, so that it is helpful for you for revision. Okay. Now if from these 10 units, they have reduced maximum syllabus from these two and very small units. See, if you follow from starting onwards, it will be very easy for you. Today we will start locus. Locus unit, those who know distance formula, they can easily go through with that one. In locus, basic thing you need to remember is one 4-mark question they will ask from this one. One 4-mark. Before starting the unit, just I want to show you the paper pattern. Question paper pattern consists of 3 sections. In section 1, you will be having 10 questions. You need to answer all the 10. Each carries 2 marks. So you will be having 20 marks from first section. Then all 10 you have to answer, 10 on 10. In second section, you have to answer 5 questions out of 7 questions. Each carries 4 marks. And from third section, again 5 questions of 7 marks. Five out of 7. See, in question paper, you will be having 3 sections. In first section, you will be having 10 questions of 2 marks each. 20 marks you will get from first section. From second section, you have to answer any 5 out of 7. Each carries 4 marks. So, locus question is of second section. Only one question they will ask from locus, and only one exercise you will be having in this unit. Total 15 questions are there. If you are good in 15 questions, then you can easily do this. See, if you are unable to purchase textbook also, no problem. I will anyhow in WhatsApp I'll upload one picture of that whatever lesson I'll teach. That lesson textbook copy I'll message you. Okay, so no need to bother about that. Before starting locus, see, before starting locus, you need to learn few points. What are the few points? First of all, you should know the formula of a minus b whole square. And a plus b whole square expansions. Where we are going to use those expansion, we will get at the time of once I start exercise, that time we will get to know where we are going to use this. Suppose if you have x minus 2 whole square written, we need to expand this one. This is a minus b whole square, or two terms having square and middle you have minus sign. You have to consider this to be a, this is a square. Then if minus is there, you have to consider plus b square. Then minus sign is there, minus 2 into a into b, 2ab. Next step, we will multiply anyhow. X minus 3 whole square is there. If x minus 3 whole square, how to expand this one? Again same thing, x square. Don't take minus 3 square. If minus is also there, a square plus b square. Then minus sign comes here, 2ab. This is expansion. Expansion is something is there short given to you. We are expanding that one. we are getting 3 terms. Here we have only 2 terms. After expansion, we will get 3 terms. Now x minus 4 whole square. X square plus 4 square minus 2 into x into 4. Afterwards, some simplification we will do that 4 square 16, 2 4 is 8x, that is different thing. Suppose I am writing x plus y whole square expansion. What is x plus y whole square expansion? X square plus y square plus 2 into x into 5. In that way, we have to expand this one. If plus is there, the third sign will be plus. If minus is there, second sign is positive and third sign is negative. Now, apart from this, what you need to remember is terms. How to add the terms, how to subtract the terms, that thing you have to remember. Now, maximum students will not do simplification in right way. Few members, they will do minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus in that way. So leave all those things what you have remembered till now. Just follow the basic rule of adding and subtracting so that you can easily understand what I am going to teach you. Everyone have to be perfect in this one. Okay, first thing, whenever we are writing any number, 5 is there, the sign of 5 is positive, here it is plus 5. Suppose if I am writing 9, sign of 9 will be here. Or if I am writing 8x, what is the sign of 8x is positive. 8x is a single term. If multiples are there, this is considered to be single term. Now, if I am writing 9, the sign will be positive. Plus sign you can consider for now to be what we have in our pocket. Minus sign, what we need to pay to shopkeeper. Suppose if I have 9, plus 9 means I have 9. 6 sign is negative. I paid 6, so I have 3 with me. So plus 3. Or you can think that the number with big number, whatever sign it has, we will get that sign. This is one way. Other way is you forget all whatever you have learned earlier. Now think this is 9, this is minus 6. We have 9, we paid 6 to them. We have 3. Now 9 minus 8 is there. We have 9, we paid 8. So we have 1. We have 9, we need to pay 10. Now this is the case. We have 9, we need to pay 10. Don't think plus into minus minus. We are not multiplying the terms because we don't find any multiple sign in between them. So what we will do? Plus 9 minus 10. Whenever you find like this, we have 9, we need to pay 10. We have paid 9 to them. How much we need to pay now? 1. So minus 1. Or you can think big number, whatever sign, in that way also you can. Minus 3 plus 2. See what we are doing? We are subtracting or adding? We are calculating. Calculating means we are finding the total of this. Don't think that this sign plus sign is in between 2 and 3. 3 sign is negative, 2 sign is positive. So here to calculate this one, we are not adding this one. Don't think 3 plus 2, 5 minus sign, we are not putting in that way. What we have to do? 3 is having minus sign, so negative 3. We need to pay to others. Plus 2, we have to. We paid 3. We can't pay 3. We paid 2 to them. How much we need to pay now? Minus 1. Or by subtracting, keep the sign of big number. Minus 8 plus 9 is there. Don't think that minus is there, I get minus. Not like that. Here 8 is negative. We need to pay 8. How much we have? 9. Paid 8, we have 9. So how much we have now? 1. Minus 2, minus 3. Now different case. Don't think that minus into minus is plus. There is no multiplication sign. We need to pay 2. We need to pay 3. In total, we need to pay 5. Now minus 6, minus 7 is there. Both are negative. We need to pay 6. We need to pay 7. How much we need to pay? 13. Now the same thing. Minus 2 into minus 3. There is multiplication sign, so what we have to do is minus into minus is plus, 2 3 is a 6. Suppose minus 8 into minus 9 is there. We find multiplication. Now we are multiplying the signs. Minus into minus is plus, 9 8 is 72. Same way, if we have minus 8 and minus 9, there is no multiplication sign. That time what we will do? We need to pay 8. Again we need to pay 9. How much we need to pay in total? We have to find the total of this and we have to write the terms. Now where we have to use this? This is the main point. Where we are using this one? Where we have to apply this? That is the thing which we have to remember now. In our locus unit, unit 1, total number of questions are only 15. That means those who are good in 15 questions, they can answer that 4 mark question in second section. So for that 4 marks question, if you do a single minus sign or plus sign mistake, they are not going to give you any mark. Anyhow, many of them know these things, basics. But few of them, those who are not good at mathematics and they want to learn maths also, no problem. If they follow this class nicely 2-3 times, you can follow. If you are not understanding one time, you can follow 2-3 times so that you can easily understand the content. Now, in this, 3x minus 5x plus 4y minus 2y. This is one expression given to us. Equation, we are not seeing equation because there is no equal to mark given to us. So whenever you find this one, this is a function of x and y or with expression in x and y. What you have to do is, you can arrange this one in order. First check how many x terms are there. Plus 3x and minus 5x. Plus 3 minus 5. We have 3x, we need to pay 5x. So we need to pay, after paying 3, we have to pay more 2. Minus sign is there. In this one, we have 4y, we need to pay 2y. We have 2y. Plus 2y we can say. Now, can we add these two? We can't add because different variable terms are not at all added. Now, if we have 3y minus 7x plus 2y minus 8x plus 9 is there. What do we have to do? We are writing in order. We are arranging the terms. That means common variables we have to add. Now check which are the common variables. First one, y term we can check, or x. Alphabetically x comes first. Now we have to check x contain values. 7x or minus 7x? It is minus 7x. Minus and 7x. And one more x value, yes, minus 8x. Both are negative. So don't think minus into minus plus. Negative 7x, we need to pay 7, we need to pay 8, we need to pay 15, minus 15x. X I have counted, we have counted both variables, x variables. Then y terms, this is 3y plus 3y plus 2y. How many y terms are there? 2, both are positive, add up, 5y. And plus 9 as it is, because 9 is a constant term. Constant means the term which doesn't have any variable to it. See, you don't find any variable x or y to 9. X terms are added, y terms are. Can we add these two? We can't add because variables are different. Can we add these two? One constant term and with variable term? We can't add that also. So we get this term after simplification. Now moving to the other one. 3x square minus 9y plus 5x square plus 10y minus 2. This is one more expression. We have to simplify this. See, already you might have done in 10th class, in 5th unit or 3rd unit, 5th unit, polynomials. In that unit, polynomials is 3rd one. In 5th unit, you have this one. Quadratic, some equations are there. In that first exercise, we have some multiplication, we have to arrange the terms. Leave that first year or 10th class topic. What we have to do is we have to check the variables which are common. So x square terms are there. So this we can add. Both are having positive sign. So we can add both of them. Positive 8x square. Then check any other variable, common variable, 9y with minus sign, 10y with plus sign. Means what? Negative means we need to pay. Positive means we have. So after paying 9 from 10, plus 1 will be the remaining. Or big number is 10. We'll have plus 1y. Then remaining minus 2. This is the thing which you have to remember. See, negative positive things you have to remember. Then number of terms are there, how to arrange the terms, and expansion. What I have shown you earlier, a minus b whole square expansion and a plus b whole square expansion. After that, exercise problems will be there. So from tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss. Tomorrow onwards, I am going to post you some chapter points. First, we'll start locus. From exercise onwards, we'll start that one. So what are the things to remember? In mathematics 1A, you will be having in mathematics of first year, you will be having two subjects, 1A and 1B. In 1A also maximum some 8 to 10 units are there. In 1B also 10 units are there. So in 1B 10 units, those units are very small units. See, in 1 week I am going to complete you 3 units maximum or 2 units. So it is very easy, you can easily complete this one and you can easily follow. See, now I can't able to see, physical appearance is not there. So whatever I am saying, don't leave single word also. If you want to be perfect in mathematics, you have to follow the video, learn the things whatever I said you. Basics onwards, if you learn, you are going to follow in very nice way. Locus we are going to complete in 3 days maximum. So from tomorrow onwards, be ready for the class. Before that, you have to be ready with the syllabus. If anyone asks you how many units are there in 1B, you have to be in that way too. You have to tell them how many units are there. 10 units are there. Which units is explaining, locus is explaining. Then you can able to show the notes, whatever. So write down the notes and everything. Now it is not necessary, just write down chapter names for now. Tomorrow onwards, you have to prepare notes in this way, okay? And whatever you are unable to follow and whatever problems you find, like voice or anything else, you can tell me. In next video, I am going to improve that one, okay? So you no need to worry about that one. Our WhatsApp group will be there, 1B WhatsApp group. In that group, you can ask anything, any related problem or any issue, you can ask to me. I am going to clarify that one, okay?